Well, it's melting, but not melting fast enough. Still gotta move the custom sedan over, pick up a lot of things.
Yeah, move everything else, or move one.
Yeah, was starting to pick up a lot of things, but then we had a snowstorm on Wednesday. Past the business coupe, our future paranormal vehicle, the 63 Merc.
Yeah, the breezeway.
Yeah. Very common these are.
I just like this.
Oh yeah. Common four door breezeways are common. Two-door breezeways are not. They're actually very hard to find.
I just went with that one.
Yeah. Plus, too, you know, factory 390 car.
Yeah. Bad thing about it, someone knocked the back window out of it.
Yeah. So, you wanted to talk about this one today.
Yeah, this is another one of our future four-wheel drive projects.
Yeah, revisiting this. It's 41. Did we ever find out it's like a 1.5 or a 2-ton?
I don't think we ever ran the numbers.
No. We got stuff.
We just liked the body style and grabbed it.
Yeah.
But my idea is, you don't see too many people doing it, at least I haven't seen it, doing like the old Dodge Power Wagons in the 40s. I thought mimicking this.
Yeah.
And I've already picked up a 6.9 liter diesel for this.
Yep. You're going to have, what, single or twin turbos or something on it? Unsure yet?
Yeah, we haven't gotten that far yet.
Yeah. Of course,
that'll be a pain in the butt trying to drag it out because I think the rear end's locked up.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to actually measure some stuff around to put a different rear axle on it.
But it don't matter anyways because the drivetrain and everything's gonna be yanked out.
Yep, it's not gonna be original by any means. I'm gonna build. Yep, gonna build a custom box for it that matches the little half tons of that year for this big thing. Are you gonna turn it to a dually or leave it a single?
Well, if it's going to be a four-wheel drive, you're going to want singles.
Yeah.
Dualies, I mean, like everybody knows, if you don't chain them up real good on the back, they have a hard time going through the deep mud and the snow.
Yeah,
you don't have a good powerhouse.
Mm-hmm. Yep. And this cab crosses over between the years of 41 to 46 or 47?
No. The 42s, 47s, or the 42s, 46, and 47s are the same style as the 46 over there.
Okay.
40 and 41s were this.
Okay, so 40,
and
41.
you can tell by that. Totally different body.
Yeah, and to see what's that? Oh, that bumpers to the dangerous thing. Can I go with this?
I think we still have the button in it.
Yeah, but it's locked up. I still have yet to tear into it properly. Yeah, it's just everything's there. It's all there. This came from over by an old schoolhouse.
Yes.
That was sitting there for 40-something odd years, and then it was sitting in the salvage yard for almost 30.
What's going to be interesting is trying to squeeze that 6.9 down in this.
Oh, we'll be able to do it.
It's possible, but
oh yeah,
it's going to be fun doing it.
Yeah, but this is a 59 AB. Don't know what size of flathead or, horsepower this is. Probably like maybe an 85. Wasn't it an 85?
I think so. I don't remember.
Yeah, but everything, like I said, everything's there. Everything's complete on this. I mean, the wiring that goes into the housing right there on down to the, that's the distributor, isn't it?
Which one?
Down right here where the spark plugs go down.
Yeah, the distributors and flatheads are at the bottom.
Yeah. Yep.
Which I've heard bad stories about trying to do the points and stuff like that. But.
Yeah. Yeah, distributor right there, and both the wires run through here all the way on down. If you want to step back into the past, I mean, right here it is.
2 water pumps, of course.
Yep, 2 water pumps.
That might be neat to save though, right there.
Well, yeah, definitely save this. I'm sure it's okay, but
oh yeah, you can unlock them. It's just
but we have to find out if it's either warped, cracked, or what, because this ran when parked, but it's locked up.
Yeah, who knows how long it's actually been parked.
Yeah. But yeah, like I said, what we were told that it was at by that old abandoned schoolhouse for 40-something odd years. It was random parked, an old farm truck, another old farm truck. And then it was out at the salvage yard for 30-something odd years. No one does not like messing with these big trucks because they're just that. They're big trucks. They're not half tons or 3/4 tons.
I don't see what's wrong with them.
No, these are actually fun as hell. Because we had an old beat truck once.
Yeah, Dad had an old 56 Ford.
Yep. Spun those.
Actually smoked the tires.
Yeah, spun both those dualies in the back. Fishtailed it.
I don't really miss tossing hay bales in the back of that thing, but
no, I was too young when we had that. Yeah. Was this a complete cab? Everything in the dash? Do you remember?
I don't know. I know this door here is sealed up.
Yeah.
Get a new skin for it.
Yeah, we gotta have an interesting adventure on opening up that door. Heaters
missing the headlights.
Yeah. Heater's still there. I don't know if it's complete or not. I'm gonna poke you guys underneath. Don't know what it's gonna look like on camera.
Yeah, I think the dash is pretty much complete.
Yeah.
Might be missing some gauges or switches in the bottom, but
yeah. Dare not open up the glove box, I'm sure, because that old cardboard thing's long gone. Oh, yeah. Of course, gas tank's on this side, but we'll change it to the sides. Gosh, it's the cab is kind of rough. When it comes to spring, I'm going to clean it out. I'm going to try to get that door open, clean it out, because people are wanting us to work on pickups, and well, I might. Oh, depending on how things are, it's going to be the 55 and the 2 power wagons, and also a little Jericho, because you know the Macho Power Wagon there.
Well, I do have one pickup pulled up over there that's going to work on. That 48 was going to get that 460.
Yeah.
I'm not going to hot rod it. I'm just going to leave the 4-barrel on it. That should be plenty enough for a light.
Oh, yeah, like definitely. Because start doing framework and stuff and everything this year with some light body work. And gosh, it's going to be so many car and truck frames going to be worked on this year. It's not going to be funny. I'm going to wait to tear that apart. I just want to try to get it running. But the cab swap power wagon, the 73 there, and then the 79, I'll just see after what comes of it. But yeah, we got so many projects going now. We're pretty much it on the first lineup and messing around, and that deal fell down right there. I'll have to grab it. But yeah, I'm surprised we forgot to pick that up.
Yeah.
I don't know how long it's been sitting there. Oh gosh.
No, that's that stash we pulled out. Actually, it was a
stash. Oh
yeah,
yeah, stash out of that. There's Model A's and Model T windshield wipers in that.
I was going to put them up and got sidetracked, and I guess they're still there.
I'll grab them soon the video's done and over with. Yeah, and this tire, don't know if it's either rotted like that or it still has air in it. Last time I checked, it kind of still has air in it. It's a US Royal. Don't know what size this is. Massive. Oh, it's actually going flat finally. So yeah, it does has air in it. Well, be damned. It's finally going flat. And there's that cracked 390 block. I actually gotta get rid of that piece of junk.
352 block.
Yeah. Well, it's a 390, but that one guy gave it to me, said it was good, but when I went to pick it, well, actually, I didn't pick it up. He just put it in the back of the diesel at that time, back in 03, after after gathering up some stuff, and
found a crack in it.
Yeah, found the crack. Well, you're the one that found the crack in it, and then Dad inspected it. Ooh, he was hot, because he was looking to
So that's the reason why it looks in that condition, because it's just...
Yep, it's a boat anchor. It's no good.
Guarantee you, though, if I use it as a boat anchor, it's staying down there. I ain't pulling it up.
No. Yeah, some typical stuff here and there to fix, but drivetrain, it's really nothing too special. Just like I said, it's just a, what was this, like an old beat truck turned to a farm truck?
Oh yeah, more like it's a beat truck.
Yeah, because the old farmer, he actually put a extremely long flatbed on it. No back, he just put a flatbed on it. You can see some of the remnants that he put on it. Someone welded it or cut it off.
I think it still had some part of the hydraulic system, or the...
Did it?
I can't remember. I don't remember now. I remember looking at it, unless it was something else I was looking at.
It might have been. But yeah, just kind of showing something because the weather's up and down, up and down. Want to work on the Sport Brougham, but yeah, it's just kind of something simple to start. But yeah, some of the chrome's there, some of it's kind of wonky and beat up, and that one's...
That's just typical beat truck.
Yeah, in order to open up the hood, it's actually latch is supposed to be right there, but it's long broken.
Got your hood latch.
Yeah.
I always thought those were neat.
Were we gonna keep the hood like this, or we're gonna make or get a different front clip and have it tilt forward?
Let's wait and think. I like to have it popping up original, because
Pop up the hood like how it is.
Do something like the Power Wagons and have that big beefy bumper on the front of that thing.
Oh yeah, that's true.
You ain't gonna have much room unless you design something to release that bumper forward like you do on a semi.
Yeah, well, this is your project. I'm just kind of speaking here. Yeah. Other than that, you know, just kind of showing some stuff, talking about a few more things here and there. And yeah, just again, apologies for not working on anything because the weather is going up and down, up and down. When you want to go outside and work on something, then it's don't get too far, and almost ready to do body work, but now it's just, yeah.
Yeah, and I still got a car to junk out.
Oh yeah, the 61. I was going to start doing it, but then after the gallbladder surgery and then other things going on, it's like I don't have time during the winter, but when it warms up, then I will have time.
There's a lot of steel and stuff like that, and parts are interchangeable with that Starliner over there.
Yeah.
That's the only reason why I picked it up.
Yeah, kind of go over.
Me too, I kind of regret not pulling this 58 out.
But all this, yeah, I have all the 58s together at their store, but I mean, it's pretty easy to get to, but I have to get our uncle's Gran Torino kind of situated because the front is locked.
I've got 5 or 6 sitting over there right now, so I'm going to hold off on this one.
Yeah, for projects. But yeah,
I really like the look of it.
Can actually find bumpers and stuff for this, but everything else is getting harder to find because this was originally going to be a 4-door conversion into a 2-door, but it's like, you know what?
Everybody's chopping up the 4-doors, so why not keep it a 4-door?
Yeah, I figure it's like, why just keep it a 4-door? Besides, it's still stylish, and
yeah, I still like the look.
And you know, factory AC car. He's gonna put some sort of a 70s something Pontiac engine into it.
Yeah, I haven't fully decided yet.
Well, it's going to be a big block, that's for sure.
Well, it's a big car, so yeah, you want
something
big.
Don't know what this... Do you remember what this originally had? You never ran the numbers other than just having a title?
Yeah, I was just satisfied getting it.
Yeah, and this was sitting there for years.
Yeah, I mean,
and then
has the original factory Pontiac air conditioner in that thing too. That thing's just a beast.
Yeah, I'll show that real fast for ending the video. Oh yeah, this too also has wing windows in the back. You don't want to open it too much. You see, Pontiac control or no, cool pack. Yeah, the Pontiac cool pack. The hat doesn't want to open because it's kind of jammed.
That's the second air conditioning unit I got that goes underneath the dash.
Yeah. But alrighty, anything else you want to add before I end the video?
No, I think there'd be too much to if we keep talking.
There's a bunch of stuff out here. First lineup for next 5-6. Oh, who knows now? Just our first lineup. We stopped adding the years because how things got in the way with this this winter. So
plus with more on the way. Didn't plan on it, but
these are our final ones. The next cars we'll ever go.
Keep saying that.
Well, remember we agreed that this is it, unless if one of our dream cars shows up, and then we're grabbing. Everything else.
I grabbed one of my big time, that 68 Cuda.
Yeah.
I don't care if it's a shell. I mean,
who cares? It's got room for improvement.
Yeah, everything that's missing on that car you can still get. So
Yeah, people don't like shells because there's nothing to it. It's like, well, yeah, it's a shell, but it actually has room to, you know, put stuff into it, new stuff. So I have to get everything out.
Have problems finding is the original grill. I don't think they make reproductions of those.
Yeah.
Last time I checked.
Yeah. Alrighty, I guess I'll end the video there. And just talks and blogs and everything, and going over a few things here and there. And the reason why we're talking about him is because some people are asking about it. It's like, yeah, well, you know, just kind of mention it. Other people are talking about all the other trucks, and it's like, well, one thing at a time, really. Don't want to put 2 videos out per week right now, just in case. I mean, we got plenty of content out here to talk about, but
there's plenty of stuff to do. It's just weather permitting.
Yep. So already, please take consideration of liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing. We're getting pretty darn close to 2,000 subscribers, and we got plans to go even further this year. As I've been doing my research on a bunch of stuff, and there'll be more announcements later in the year as things progress and time goes by. As I've actually found some stuff on how to make custom frames, but I don't know how to TIG weld yet. That's a whole new thing that I don't know how to do. I'm going to have to learn and get those books. How to TIG weld.
Watch videos.
What I have to do.
That's the only way you can learn.
Yeah, especially with the old pot metal on some of the older cars, like on your 52 Buick. I'm going to have to learn how to do that kind of welding in order to fix those, because you can't find those at front grills.
Yeah, you probably get lucky.
Yeah, well,
that has a whole field full of those things.
Well, we're refurbishing all of our stuff for what we can.
It's like this one here. I was looking for parts and Half Crew's YouTube. There's a couple guys out there. That's all he has is 58s, 57, 58s, all over the place.
Yep. Love to get a 2-door. Has to be a Bonneville though, 2-door Bonneville 58. And then I'd have some special plans for that little girl. But alrighty, we'll let you all go now. Thanks for watching. So y'all have a good now. Take care and stay safe. See you later, and thanks again for support.